Hello guys, I would like to congratulate everyone who has taken the opportunity to apply for the APP Academy, and those who missed out, they can still join by self-registering on the ITC Varsity website. I'm an IT Varsity website. So for those who have joined the APP Academy but they don't have laptops, as you have seen on the email that has been sent, like I just joined yesterday, but I have some knowledge about coding, so I know what like I did something but I dropped out. So what we're going to do, like, let's open the email. You see, this is the email that I received. This email, that's how you're going to access the lessons. Like for now, it's not like all the way. For now, FNB APP Academy Week 1, you see, like this is a beginner what it's set to take 3 weeks. So here when you go down, you have your lesson 1. This is your lesson 1, introduction to HTML, and then you go down. If you check here, say getting started, you need to download and install an IDE. An IDE is a program that allows you to write and edit code. For APP Academy, we will be using VS Code IDE. You can download it here for Mac and Windows. So like here, you can download it here for Mac and Windows. It's only for Mac and Windows, and then you won't be able to run VS Code on a mobile phone. But there are people who have applied that they don't have laptops. So if you don't have a laptop, don't worry, I've got you covered. So for lesson 1, setting up your workspace. So setting up your workspace, that's where you are required to create a folder, a website folder, and then after creating your website folder, and then you're creating a parent folder for your website, where you're going to continue the folder that is going to contain your website. Like, let's get started. First, I'm going to show you the app. Let's go back, and then you're going to see the app. Here's the app. It's the Creative IDE. So this one doesn't autocomplete, so you have to know your thing. You have to check and make sure that you write correct spellings. Like I've already started, like with the, like I just started 2 hours ago. Yeah, and then I'm done with it because I already know some things. So let's go app of the year 2025 websites. Then here's the parent folder for the website. Or going inside, under the parent folder for the website, we're going to having an index, HTML, about, and picture. Here they wrote boot because I don't have that boot. I was using my own images, but I will remove them. Let me remove them because they are my own images. They're my pictures of myself. Let me just remove them. Now I'm just deleting them. Don't press to delete. I didn't want to open this one. I want to delete them. Let me delete them so that when I open those websites, I show you. Let's go. Let's delete this one also. Delete. Go to delete, and then we're going again. Delete. Let me delete this image again. Yeah, I've done. Now that I'm done deleting the images, so I can go back now. So now I'm here. Like I've already done those things because this is lesson 1. I was just following on lesson 1. So let's go into the index. Open the index. So in lesson 1, just what they did. This is what they did actually. You see, This is what they did in lesson 1. So I wrote this HTML code, I wrote everything. So like here we don't have autocomplete or suggestions in this thing, so you have to know everything. You have to know your text, all your texts. Make sure that you know them before you start writing your code, because if you make an error, the thing that you wrote won't display well on that thing, or what the results that you are attempting to achieve, you won't get if you you make an error in this thing. So let's just run this code so that you can see what's happening. When I press run, I'm going to select HTML, and then it's running. You see, this is the home page. Home page is the heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, and then the hello everyone is a paragraph. And then this one also, getting started, is a paragraph again. Also, when you check here, we're also having the 3 images. I deleted them inside the images folder because they are my photos. I don't want them to be seen. So once you click this one, that one where we're using, what's these things, what do they call them, hyperlinks? Yeah, they are hyperlinks. When you click this one, you say click here, go to Google. Once I click it, like I don't have data, I've disconnected my data, so it won't go through. But once I click the about us, because it's on here, it goes to about us. You see, you say about us, hello and welcome, and home page. You see, you can do everything. Once you are done like that, I'll show you how to create everything. The first thing that we're going to do now is to just follow the lesson plan that was outlined by the FNB App Academy. The first thing that we're going to do, let's go in, and then we're going to create I'm going to create add a folder, and then I'll rename this one project 2. Once it is named project 2, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go inside my creative IDE. So I'm going to go in. Once I'm in, what I'm going to do, I'm going to say add, and then I'm going to say open. Once I say open, I'm going straight to where the parent folder for the website is. It is here. Once I'm here, I can add a new file. Once I add a new file, I'm going to write the name. This is index.html, and then create. What you are required from those first lessons, just to create these things, and then once you know how to create these things, you can create the other things. For the images, you have to, and then you can also even add a folder here. Yeah, I think, yeah, you can also create a folder here, but you can't add images because you will have to go to your files to add images. Once you are here, you can open the HTML folder, and then you're going to start typing and then writing your code. Let's write my code. Let's write our code here. And remember, they said the lessons will be sent via email. Yeah, doc type, and then you write HTML. The doc type should be in capital letters. Yeah, like I'm not teaching here, I'm just saying HTML, and then we're going to put but for easy you can do like this, you don't have to change, and then go under, and then you put this one, and then now you write HTML, and then you put the closing tag for HTML. Forgot to put the forward slash. Put the forward slash. Now it's closed. And then now we're going to have a header. Like, it's not a head, it's a head. because you have a head and a body. Yeah. For the head, we're going to write head. And then remember, you have to put space. Like this thing, like this is how you're going to structure a code, like so that it can be readable. It's not like something that you use to decorate the code, to make the code readable. Just imagine if your code is like this. It's like this. It's like this. It's like this, and then it's going to be messy. But this one, you can see, you can read it easily. But once it becomes a complex code, because now it's just letters. Once it becomes a code and then it becomes complex, it's going to be hard to track your code, even read it, understand it, if you don't put it like that. So what we're going to do, we're going to press tab. We have tab here, and then we're going to say, now we're going to write the head tag. Now we're going to write the head tag, head, then the closing tag, head. So here you have to know your tags. Make sure you know your tags, and then you understand them, how they work. So the head, like I'm not going to talk about it. The head, like I don't remember well, but I did it. But that's why you, like, you see when you are on Chrome. Like, let me open Chrome. This is not Chrome, but it's fine. Even it don't show, like it shows on a PC, but here it also shows, like this. You see, the head contains information like this icon. I hope, you can put this icon, the name of the web page. That's for the head, is for this information. This one, I can't move it, man. This one where it's saying the page with an image of on what. Yeah, it's for that information, the head. And then the body is what you see on the website. So now we're going to do the body tag. This is the body tag, and then you're going to close the body tag. And then you're done. This is what you are expected to do for lesson 1. The other things, you're going to check them and understand them. They will talk about hyperlinks, paragraphs, heading 1, and then inserting image, using the image tag, and then what else? And also linking what are we linking? We're linking HTML pages, and linking HTML pages using hyperlinks. So once you're done like this, what you can do now, you can just write here in your body. Let's open a paragraph so that you can see paragraph tag, and then I'm going to say AP. Once I said AP, and then I close this one, and then I'll also show you where I add an image, so you can see it works. And then let's save this one. I just wrote AP, and I'll also add an image. I'll find an image that I'm going to add. You see it written AP there. So now we're going to find an image. Let me go to my gallery and find the picture. Can't go to my gallery. Let me check on the downloads. Downloads, I'll have something in downloads. In downloads, I'll have something, a picture which I can use. There's a picture which I can use in downloads. There's a picture that I recently downloaded. Where is it? is a picture which I recently downloaded, but I can find it there. I can find the page. These are IDs, I can use them. So if I can't find the picture or pictures, this Facebook as my no browser. Yeah, also okay. This is me. Let's take this one. I'm going to copy this one. I'm going to open a file under the APP Academy project 2, and then I'm going to create an images folder, folder, and then I'm going inside, and then I'm going to say, oh, I didn't copy, paste, and then after pasting I'm going to rename this so that I can be able easily write the name of this thing, because I have to write the exact name of the picture. If I use this one, I have to write dr dot space Emily space Chan, so it has to be in capital exactly, so that it can be referenced by the HTML tag. What but I don't understand them, because it's not like I don't understand them. I understand everything, but it's just that there's been a long time since I did it, because I only did this. Let me not give you my story. Just name it one. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go inside here. We're going to insert the image. So we're going to use the image tag. Once you use the image tag, we're going to write source now, and then we're going to say equals to, and then our source is images. Oh, I forgot to put is it invented commas or quotation marks? It's quotation marks. So we're going to say images. Yeah, you have to know your tags. Images 1. Okay, let me the image source. Also root the image source. Now I don't know, let me check. Is the same, like the name is JPG? Yeah, it's fine, it's JPG. So and then we're going to close this tag. Like the image tag, it doesn't have a closing tag. Just put this thing, this close, you're done, and then save, and then you run the code. See, you're having your code here. You can do everything, like on a phone. You can run the HTML code on your phone, but I think you can also run other things here. Let's see. Let me exit, and so that I can see which code can you run. Compile, like, yeah, you can create an app actually here. You can create everything here, because I think it has a compiler, and then also the compilers are offline. Let's run, and then you see you can run. Oh yeah, compilers are online. The offline compilers will have C++ for offline compilers. And then Yeah, and then those other ones they run online. This one is not super plus. I was saying refreshing what. Let's not care about those ones. I thank you for watching this video. I hope not many people are going to get here.